Real estate investment is not for everyone, and most Nigerians do not want to understand this. If you think buy lands today means make quick monies tomorrow, you already make a big mistake. If you are somebody that you believe in short-term investment, you can no cope in real estate. But if you are someone that you believe in long-term investment, real estate is the right place for you, because the more you exercise patience, the more you make money in real estate. It requires due diligence, because one wrong document can cause your land gone forever. And the most important thing, it requires money discipline. Most people buy land because they see people are buying, not because they understand the investment. That is why some land stay for 10 years with no increased value. So before you invest in real estate, you need to ask yourself this question: do I know what I'm doing, or am I just following the crowd? This question is very necessary, because in real estate, ignorance is very expensive. You need to know why you are in the business. Without knowing aim and objective why you are coming to the business, there's no need for you to go there. Don't just rush there because people are making money. There's a lot of money in real estate, but if you don't do it in the right way, you will regret why you even go there. There are a lot of people that already invest in real estate. For them to resell their property back, they find it very difficult to see buyer. If you want to make money in real estate, most especially if you face on land, what you need to do, first look for location, because location is very important. Without location, you will never make it in real estate. After you may have known that this place is a prime location, the next thing you need to look, ensure that that particular place is proximity to public utility with a good infrastructure around the neighborhood. So this is going to help you. It doesn't matter how the price of that land is. That is where a lot of people are making mistake. They will see a good land in a prime locations, but it's because of the price. Some of them will run to wrong locations. Instead of buy a plot of land in a prime location, they will run to buy a 2 acres of land in a wrong location. With the same amount they're supposed to buy a 1 plot in a prime location, before you know, you see that somebody that will just buy a 1 plot, like 6 months or 1 year later, he resell the land with a high profit, and the person that will go buy 2 acres, he will still be struggle for next 10 years, because there's no development around that place, or that place has no development plan. If you buy land in a wrong location, nobody will come and buy it. Everybody wants where they will buy and they can resell it within a short period of time, not where they will buy now and they will wait for the next 10 or 15 years to come. So that is why a lot of people are making mistakes. I always tell people that if you want to buy land for personal use, you must like the place before you buy. But if you want to buy land for investment, it's not necessary for you to like the place before you buy. Most important thing is that if that land is located in a prime location, the person that is coming to buy from you, they may like the place. That is the most very important thing. Think what people will see and buy that your land. So it's not what you will see. So it's not necessary for you to like the land that you want to use for investment. I don't want you to follow the wrong step that others are following. That is why I'm doing these videos for you. Real estate is still remain lucrative investment right now in Nigeria, but you need to do it in normal way. I always tell people it's not necessary to hold property in order to make money in real estate. You can start from real estate investment trust, so you can learn about the investment before you start to hold property. Some people are curious to have a land or house. That is why some of them are making mistake. You can invest in real estate investment, and every year you start to get 37% on whatever any amount you invest. So you can use this to learn the business first before you start to hold property. But if you are someone that you don't want to invest in real estate investment trust, and you want to hold your land or your house, the best way to go about it is that look for where people are moving to, the right locations, so that the essence of looking for this kind of place is that if you buy land property in such a place, when people come down to that place, they can easily patronize you. If it is land you want to sell, they can come and buy the land. If it is house, they can also come and buy the house. If it is land you buy and build for rental income. People will come and rent that particular place from you, and you will start to make your money as a time deal. So you need to do everything in the right way. Real estate is a solid investment that you can see, you can touch, and also you can live inside. So but when you are doing the business, learn how to do it in the right way so that you can make money within a short period of time. Hardly before you see any millionaire or billionaire in Nigeria today that never invest in real estate. So you need to join this club and become a millionaire within or billionaire within a short period of time. If you want to do the real estate or you want to invest in proper way, what you just need to do today is just to contact me so that I can tell you what you need to know. If you want to invest in somewhere like Lagos, Abuja, Ibadan, and Ogun State and other state capital in Nigeria, I'm going to tell you the best place that you can invest and start to make your money as a time deal. So this is a great and amazing opportunities for you. So if you want to contact me, check my number in the descriptions of this video. You will see my number and you can chat me up. I'm going to tell you what or how to go about it. And please, as you watch this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel for more real estate investment opportunity and solutions. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.